from perfect homes. Have you ever wondered where the place in Chiang Mai that you can find the mountain and the city view in the same time? I have here at the Prio Condominium, we have 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom. It's on the 14th floor and the size is 38.47 square meter to present you. We jump on the 14th floor of the Prio condo. Of course, the first area they're going to meet is a kitchen area, but maybe we can call the room because they have the sliding door over here that you can close to separate before the kitchen and the living area. But before I provide you the detail of the kitchen, here I would like to present you they use a digital door lock here that they have 3 systems. Use a key card, password, and the key to get into the room. For the kitchen, they provide you the sinks, the cupboard drawers over here, and this corner for your cooking, where they have electric cooking stove, 2 cooking stove with the hood here, and of course they will have the fridge with the microwave. And this corner they have shoe shelf for you to keep all your shoes here. Next to the kitchens, of course, is a living area. But before we go to all the detail, the room type is a 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the total area inside is 38.47 square meter, and it's fully furnished, and it's on the 14th floor. So the living area, they have 1 sofa over here, but that you can change to the sofa bed later in case you have the guests to come to stay with you. 1 table, and of course that corner is a shelf with television. You can see the way that decoration is. I like the way that they use the blue color with the white color one here. That you will see next to the living area, of course, is a balcony. When you're on the top floor of the condo, the view that you will get will be like this. It's stunning because it's a city view with a mountain. It's quite really nice. As I told you, we just opposite Central Airport Plaza, and the airport just over there. And also outside, they also provide you the washing machine here. So let's go inside, back to the room. This living area, they have one aircon over here, and this corner provide you the dining table with 2 chairs. And the curtain, they have 3-2 curtain with the UV one. Then follow me to the bathroom. This bathroom, they have the sink with the big mirror here, toilet, and the shower with the sliding door. And also they have water heater provide you. So that let's go to see the bedroom. Next to the bathroom is the bedroom. You will see the floor that we use will be the same at the living area, and also the color of the wallpaper is also white with the blue color here. And the bed, this is a queen size and come with the 2 bedside table. And this is a corner for makeup, of course for the lady, for makes up, dress up. And this corner is built-in area, like built-in wardrobe that you have. Yeah, hang your trouser, keep your clothes here with the drawer. And move to this corner, I'm gonna show you the view again. But before we go that, they have the shelf over here with the television, with the one aircon over there. And this corner, of course, you still see the mountain from here, right? I'm gonna show it. Mountain and the city view. You can take the view anytime that you want. So I'm gonna show you the facility of this condo. I hope you like inside the room that I just showed you. Okay, I would like to share you about information about this condo again. This condo is named the Prio Condominium. It's located on Mahidol Road. The room I just showed you is 1 bedroom, 1 bathroom, and the size is 38.47 square meters. It's comfortably furnished and it's on the 14th floor. The facility that they have, you will see behind me, of course, they have swimming pool, they have fitness room, they have 24 security, and have CCTV, and of course they will have a card for you, provide for you to access into the building. For the direction, it's really easy. I recommend you if you start from the airport, it takes only 1 kilometer to the airport. And this building, right, is just opposite Central Chiang Airport. So if you have any question about this condo, you can contact me this number. And if you enjoy it, don't forget to click like and share this video. And before I leave, don't forget to subscribe our channel to see what we're gonna have to show you for next video. But today I have to say goodbye.